Euro International School has been awarded the Best Emerging School in NCR by Indian Achievers Podium. Euro International Group of Schools is a chain of schools presently consisting of 4 schools. 2 schools in Gurgaon, Sector 45 and Sector 10, 1 school in Kanina with air-conditioned hostel facility and 1 school in Rewari. At Euro International School, our focus is on learning, is child-centric and child-oriented. The aim of Euro International School is to prepare students in such a manner as to make them globally acceptable in all walks of life. Euro International School Gurgaon is a co-educational English medium school in which Euro School Sector 45 follows an ICSE curriculum and Euro School Sector 10 follows a CBSE curriculum. Both schools have a beautiful building and lush green campus with all amenities. The pollution-free environment facilitates the learning process. Euro International School has a clear vision on education, which is an integral part of our nation's development. Morning assembly. It is compulsory for the students to wear the approved uniform. The school promotes global excellence and Indian culture. It is done interestingly by the role play and dramatization in the morning assembly. We provide a very cordial and interactive atmosphere to all concerned. The school delivers its best effort to empower the students with right knowledge, value, and standards. All classrooms are big and spacious, in which all modern facilities are provided by school, so that students feel comfortable. All the teachers are highly qualified, talented and well experienced. Medical and engineering coaching in Euro International School in association with Akash Institute, the national leader for medical and engineering entrance exam. Computer science in our school is both a subject as well as an activity. Our computer lab is equipped with the latest Pentium systems. Computers allow students to interact with the world beyond the classroom through software and web lessons. The students are extremely confident in preparing programs and high-tech software. A well-organized and prompt library service is one of the distinctive features of the school. The school library has a collection of wonderful and exciting books. Our science labs are a wonderful place for children to nurture their inquisitiveness and enhance their scientific quests. All our labs are equipped with high-tech instruments related to syllabus. All teachers possess the optimum combination of knowledge, skill, aptitude and innovativeness. The separate physics, chemistry and biology labs promotes hands-on learning for highest form of understanding. Euro Group of Schools believe in serving a platform for effective teaching by providing smart class. Art and craft helps with thinking and to concentrate thoughts. It should be taken seriously and recognized as a valid part of child's development. Art activities help children to gain the tools necessary for understanding human experiences. Music room and dance classes. We have separate Montessori section. Our classrooms are equipped to create a comfortable environment for the children to learn and play, where we provide every child a platform to voice their opinion and to enhance the confidence level to such an extent where every thought is shared without any hesitation. Careful attention is provided to the children to ensure that they become ready for the rigors of modern education. Our teacher community is fully committed to the well-being of your children. We strive to create a stimulating and loving environment for the children to grow and thrive. Our vision is to be leading school for sports. We also have indoor games like chess, table tennis, carom, etc. For the all-round development of students, the school has been a pioneer in sporting activities. The school has a huge sporting arena with football and handball grounds. Annual sports meet for students are held regularly. The school believes in all-round development of its pupils so that they may reach on the pinnacle of the advanced, dynamic and cultured society. The school is committed towards the all-round development of the students. Hence, ample opportunities are made available to the students to engage in the pursuit of activities other than academics. To explore the hidden talent in the child, various co-curricular activities are organized in the school campus. Now presenting Euro International School, Kanina. This school has a state-of-art pollution-free, well-decorated and magnificent building with all facilities. It is also a co-educational English medium school which is affiliated to CBSE. We envisage growth of the children with a definite objective of achievement of success in every field of life. School begins every day from morning assembly where we instill moral values and ethics in every student. We have high-tech classrooms and visionary, talented, well-educated and competent team of teachers. Our dedicated teachers would take up remedial classes under the individual education plan so that any child needing extra help does not go unheeded. Well-stocked library with more journals and reference books. Modern computer lab with all latest equipments. High-tech science labs where students observe things closely and draw inferences from what they observe. Teaching through advanced audio-video modules with EduCom smart classes. School strives to promote creativity in each and every child by setting them free to give a shape to their thoughts and imagination. music room and dance classes. We have state-of-art infrastructure for Montessori section, colorful rooms, toy room, ID room, and many facilities so that your children receive the best care, and we have created an environment which motivates young minds to grow and prepare themselves for future success. We know physical education is necessary for sharp mind, therefore, we provide many indoor and outdoor games for the development of every student. The school has spacious sports ground with well-trained physical education teachers. Our school team have won several prizes and medals for their best performance in various sports events. To explore the hidden talent in your child, we organized various co-curricular activities in school campus. Euro International has also come up with their hostel facilities, which has a capacity of 125 students. The hostel rooms have the facilities of air conditioner and geysers, and also in the quiet environment, the students are able to concentrate more on their studies. Apart from this, staff quarters are also available for teachers, which are also well equipped with all the facilities. The hostel also has the facility of canteen, where we keep in mind the hygiene and the good health of children. After the huge success, Euro International Group of School has established its fourth school, Euro International School, Rewari. It is a co-educational English medium school, providing school from nursery to secondary level. The school aims at developing the mental, physical and spiritual potentials of each student. Euro's All School has its own buses with expert drivers and conductors for transporting the students from different locations. Euro Group of School has been given continuously outstanding 100% results with a large number of distinctions in all subjects. We are committed to provide an environment that encourages the development of the children in all the spheres: academic, physical, social, moral and emotional. We nurture your child's future because education is not the filling of a pail but lighting of a fire. Euro International School, nurturing talent. Euro International Group of Schools.